Hi, this is Frank with Fastcall. I'm going to show you how to receive a call using Fastcall and compare the experience between the soft phone and answering a call on another device. I'm assuming you've done the Getting Ready to Receive Calls unit, where we cover how to set up the receiving device. If you haven't, please do that first. Okay, let's get started and receive a call. First, we've got to open the Fastcall widget and go Available. Next, I'm going to use my mobile phone to call the phone number that I got in the previous unit. There it rings. I'm not going to pick this up, so I'm going to decline the call. And
Hello.
there you hear my voicemail.
Please leave the message after the beep.
Okay, that was easy. What happens if I'm not actively working in Salesforce when the call comes in? If you're using the soft phone, you must have a Salesforce window open with the Fastcall widget in it. That window doesn't have to be in focus. Let me demonstrate this by opening a Google Docs document and pretending I'm working in another Chrome tab. I'm now going to call myself again using my mobile phone. As you can hear, the phone is ringing even though I'm not in Salesforce at the moment. I can switch back to Salesforce, and there it is. However, if I switch Salesforce to an app that does not include the Fastcall widget and try calling myself, it won't ring. Let me demonstrate. I've changed to an app that does not have the Fastcall widget, and now I'm going to call myself again.
Hello. Please
This
leave
time, the
message
call
after
goes
the
straight
beep.
to voicemail. Finally, even if I'm in an app with the Fastcall widget, if my availability is set to unavailable, the call will also go straight to voicemail. Let me demonstrate. I'm changing my availability to offline.
Hello. Please leave the message after the beep.
Now let's try receiving calls using a different receiving device instead of the soft phone. I'm going to change my receiving device to my mobile phone. Then I'll call the same number as before. I go to my account settings. I go to inbound settings. And I edit my existing inbound route to receive the call on my mobile phone. I've now changed my inbound routing to receive calls on my mobile phone. This means calls will ring on my mobile even if I'm not logged into Salesforce. As long as I'm available in Fastcall, I can receive calls without having Salesforce open. However, if I'm offline in the widget, the call won't ring on either device.